Hello, in this video I will show you how to enhance photo quality in Photoshop. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Okay, the first step is to click on image size. Here, we will put this in pixels. This in pixel / inch. In resolution, we will put 400 and we'll leave that in Perserve details. And this will raise it to 100%. Now click on the photo, duplicate. Select the layer, filter, sharpen, unsharp mask. Here we will put 80, here we will put 10, and here 16. Now we'll go to Filter, Other, High Pass. And in Radius, we'll set it to 0.5. Select the first layer, and here we will place Soft Light. And that's it. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.